So this is WarriorPlus. It's a bit like ClickBank or JVZoo, and they have their own products. So I've ordered quite a fair number over the years. So they usually come at great prices. There was one Solos and Traffic, $5. Traffic Linker, so that was a blogging one that I used. I think it was backlinks to a website, something I've actually forgotten about. So there's your purchases in there, and this is your notifications. These are sort of products that have just came out, so you can get them, and you could click on one of these. Sick of chasing leads. That flips the script. AI lead automator, so there's a lot of good products and bad ones as well, and you can go into another one and then check that. So that's a way of finding out what's on offer. 30-minute coffee trader system, it turned 10k into over 4 million. This is all different notifications I've had, different offers, and that's your username there, your purchase history. You can set up favorites and things like that. So you can go to the marketplace and you would click on home, and then you can search the top sellers based on today, what the good ones are, what the top ones are from yesterday, over the last 7 days, and over the last 30 days. So this ebook writer AI seems to be number one over the last month. So you can take a look at that, and same with AI, you can create, publish, and profit from ebooks, no writing required. So we've got a video, what it's all about. And these books, you think that somebody sort of wrote them, but that's all been done by AI. So you're finding out how you can do that. If it interests you, that's been number one. And then you might click on email cash machine, something like that. You might not think it's any good, or it may be good, so you can look at these offers and you can buy them, and you can also promote these offers too. That's pop-up, you're getting $3 off. So there's quite a lot of really specific products. You might be on some other page or vendor, and it's generic ones, but these ones, a lot of them are relating to traffic and things that would interest the user as well. So you can get from home the top 10 or even the top products from here overall. So that's on the home page, that was the top one, the AI one, the ebook. And then here is the top one today, Traffic Wave Generator 2. And you can read all about that, and if you like it, you can get instant access too. So you can find out the really top offers from top products, or you can actually go to categories, and then you're maybe not looking for email marketing at all, you're maybe not looking for traffic, you might want, say, WordPress, and there's 104 products relating to WordPress, and you can go to the top one here, EDDM agency fortune. So instead of building a website, they're doing this all for you. It's a done for you website, so you have your own website, and maybe you want to do that more than affiliate offers, so you can check that out there, or go into any category at all. You've got advertising, affiliate marketing, WordPress, coaching, consultants. You've got all different sort of options on this one, and then the alerts if you've purchased before, the latest offers as well. And then you can go into deal of the day, and it's 99% of marketers ignore this traffic source. Big mistake. It's saying ads is maybe not the answer, and it's turn any keyword into lots of traffic. So that's the deal of today for today. And then you can go to your dashboard, your offers. If you're a vendor, you're perhaps not watching this, and then if you're an affiliate, you can get your stats there as well. So that's basically in a nutshell how WarriorPlus actually works. So if you want to take a look at this, you can. And if you're wanting a business that's much more than searching for different offers, it's like one offer that includes everything. It's got a boot camp, a free community. Then take a look at that, and we'll see you there.